hope you are all well today. I will start with a disclaimer. I am not sponsored or connected with the two UK companies I have purchased from. No discounts or vouchers, it's my own money. I just want to show what I buy for Wilbur from the UK. Right, firstly it's northernparrots.com and I purchased these pulses, and there's rice and you have to soak them. I bought these Harrisons. Nutriberries. AB cakes for him, he likes them as well, and just some little treats for toys for him to play with. So that was from Northern Parrots. Next will be Scarlett's Essential Parrots here in the UK. I've got a first aid box, which is definitely needed when you've got a parrot, in case of anything happening. Is that upside down? It is upside down. No, it's not. It's just coming in. Oh, I'll do it that way. Doesn't really matter. I bought some more Harrisons because Wilbur loves that. Oh. And I thought I'd try this Tidy Nuts Fruit and Nut, 250 grams. Some more little toys. Yes, you love toys, don't you? And also I had to pay for it to be FedEx because there's live food in here, and this is sugar cane. And parrots are meant to really like this, so I'm going to chop it up into smaller pieces so it'll last longer for him and freeze it. So I think the shipping was $5.99 for this because it's got live food in here. I purchased it yesterday and it cost me altogether about £50, £51, something like that. And from Northern Parrots, it cost me about £46 for the first box of things that you saw with the delivery, and that was 2 to 3 days of delivery. I hadn't got any live food in there, so I hope you find this video good and give it a thumbs up if you like it. Thank you. Bye.